In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Binance support via email. We'll explore the different official channels available to you, ensuring you know exactly how to reach out for assistance when you need it. Let's get started. First, we have the Binance Global Support email. This is the primary email address you should use for general inquiries and assistance when dealing with Binance on a global level. To reach them, you can send an email to support@binance.com. However, it's worth noting that Binance typically encourages users to use their live chat support for quicker responses. While email support is a solid option, the live chat feature often provides faster, more dynamic assistance. You can access the live chat by clicking the Help icon located at the bottom right corner of the Binance website. Once you're there, simply enter your issue. If the automated assistant cannot resolve it, you'll be directed to a support agent who can help further. Now, if you are specifically using Binance.us, there's a slightly different route for you. Contact the Binance US support email by sending an email to inquiries@binance.us. Again, while this is an effective way to reach support for the Binance.us platform, you also have the alternative of their live chat support. On the Binance.us website, you'll find the Help icon. Click it, and you'll gain access to 24/7 assistance. This second method is frequently recommended for more immediate concerns. When crafting your email to Binance support, there are several tips to keep in mind that can significantly enhance your chances of receiving a prompt and helpful response. First, let's talk about the subject line. Make sure it clearly states the purpose of your email. For instance, you could write, "Unable to access account," or "Withdrawal issue." A well-defined subject line helps direct your email to the right department swiftly. Next, be sure to include your account information. While it's crucial to provide your Binance account email address, any relevant transaction IDs should also be included, as they help identify your account and the particular issue you're facing. Then, you'll want to provide a detailed description of the problem. It's important to be both concise and thorough, ensuring that you include all pertinent details while avoiding unnecessary information that might cloud your message. Screenshots can be instrumental in helping Binance support teams understand the issue quickly. So, consider attaching any relevant screenshots that can provide additional context or clarity to your situation. Importantly, always prioritize your security. Avoid including sensitive information like your account password or any two-factor authentication codes in your communication. By following these guidelines, you're ensuring that your interaction with Binance support is as efficient and effective as possible. Good luck, and remember, whether through email or live chat, Binance support is there to help you navigate any challenges you may encounter while using their platform.